types of questions.
In present simple. I usually help my mom in the kitchen. I wash vegetables, set the table, and clean the dishes.
Do always goes before the subject in a question. Do I usually help my mum in the kitchen? Do I wash vegetables? Do I help my mum or my dad in the kitchen? Do I wash vegetables or fruits? Where do I help my mom? Who do I help in the kitchen? When do I help my mum? In most questions we use do to help us. But when who is the subject, we don't need do. We just keep the verb in the same form as a normal sentence. Who helps my mum in the kitchen? No need for do. Look at the main sentence. If the sentence is positive, the tag is negative. If the sentence is negative, the tag is positive. I help my mum in the kitchen, don't I? I wash vegetables, don't I?
My friend visits his grandparents on Sundays. Does my friend visit his grandparents on Sundays? Does my friend visit his grandparents or his cousins on Sundays? When does my friend visit his grandparents? Where does my friend go on Sundays? What does my friend do on Sundays? Who visits his grandparents on Sundays?
No need for does.
My friend visits his grandparents on Sundays, doesn't he?
Emma and Mike go to the zoo on Saturdays. They see parrots, feed the giraffes, and take pictures. Do Emma and Mike go to the zoo on Saturdays? Do Emma and Mike see parrots at the zoo? Do Emma and Mike go to the zoo or the park on Saturdays? Do Emma and Mike see parrots or monkeys? Where do Emma and Mike go on Saturdays? When do Emma and Mike go to the zoo? How often do Emma and Mike go to the zoo? Who goes to the zoo on Saturdays? No need for do. Emma and Mike go to the zoo on Saturdays, don't they? They see parrots, don't they?
Where do lions sleep? In the jungle deep. What do artists do? They paint red and blue. Who runs really fast? A cheetah, that's a blast. Do you like to eat? Yes, I love a treat. Do you dance? Yes, I do. Do you jump? Yes, I do. Do you sing? La la la. Come on, let's dance. Woohoo! Where do cars go? On the street, vroom vroom. What does a magician do? He pulls rabbits, boom. Who reads funny books? My best friend. Look! Does a dog say meow? it barks, bow wow. Do you dance? Yes, I do. Do you jump? Yes, I do. Do you sing? La la la. Come on, let's dance. Woohoo! Do you smile? Yes, I do. Do you laugh?